My dear friends, today is October 7th, Feast of Our Lady of the Rosary, and I want you to see these walls. This is the way they stopped 2 years ago on October 7th, 2023, when the war started here in Israel against Hamas. We couldn't finish the building at that time, but just yesterday we resumed the works. We are cleaning the place and we are restarting the works. Thanks to God, thanks to your generosity, thanks to your support. It is funny, but this was the first building we started almost 20 years ago, and it's the only one we had not finished. This together with the priestly residence, which is nearby. And we hope to have this finished in a year to welcome pilgrims. This is the restaurant we want to feed our pilgrims, to welcome them, to support the experience they will have besides the Sea of Galilee. Please continue to support our work with your prayers for peace especially, and thank you also for your generosity and support in order to accomplish these works, this task that God entrusted to us in order to serve pilgrims and to serve the Holy Land. May God bless you.